Hi, this is Tom Arbuthnot and we're here at Microsoft London with Graham Hosking, and he's going to take us through some of the new things that Microsoft Teams can do. So thanks for your time, Graham.
No worries, thank you. So today we're going to do a bit of a demo on what Teams is. So you'll see I've got a list, or I'm a member of lots of different teams within here. And under each team then we also have what's called channels or discussion threads. So if we go under this demo channel here, we're able to do things like have persistent chat. So I'm able to mention individual people, for example.
So that's to get their attention. So a team's a group of people trying to achieve something, work together on a project, a bid, a tender, whatever it may be. And you can mention them and get their attention in the chat.
Yeah, exactly. So individuals or the entire team as well, if it's that important. And it saves all of the time that I use within email, for example, about pointless things I'm copied in on.
Yep.
Other things we can do are set up new meetings. So I can schedule a new meeting directly within Teams, and it will also copy that to my Outlook calendar as well.
Yep.
And we've got some new features that are in preview at the moment, which is
PSTN dial-in, or what's now called audio conferencing. So leveraging a Teams meeting and having the ability to dial in and dial out of that meeting.
Exactly. So, Tom, you've invited me to an online Teams meeting, which I've shown up here.
Yep.
But I also have the facility, like you said, to be able to dial in to those meetings as well. So lastly, we can go into, once we schedule our meeting, for example, is get more information about who's going to be in that meeting. So using our bot APIs, we have third parties that have created bots that work within Teams.
Yep.
If I scroll up a little bit here, you'll see that I have access to my calendar here. It prompts me like an hour before my meeting about where my meeting is, who's going to be in it, and I can click on who is Tom, and it'll show me more information about your staff.
And this is kind of that intelligent communication story. So this is a third party that have written the Zoom AI bot. It's using the Microsoft APIs to surface itself in Teams, and it's giving you this new ability to prompt you for your meeting and say, do you want more information, where the meeting is, who the meeting participants are, that kind of thing.
Exactly, yeah. So it saves me a lot of time. If I'm late for a meeting, for example, I can quickly look up on my mobile phone about what that meeting is about, where it is, and who's in it.
Very cool.
And lastly, what's not out yet, but we have announced it, which is the calling capabilities within Teams.
Yeah.
So I'm able to have my own old legacy identity, for example, which is a telephone number.
Yeah.
But
a lot of people still use telephone numbers, it turns out.
They do occasionally, or I can actually dial out to those people as well.
Yeah. So that's phone system, which is available today in Skype for Business Online. That's the same phone system in Office 365, but surfacing itself in Microsoft Teams, essentially.
Exactly, yeah. And lastly, we've got voicemail within here as well. And if the quality is good enough, it'll transcribe those voice messages into text. So I can read my voicemail and then triage from there.
Yeah, very cool. So we've seen there how Microsoft Teams works to bring a team together for collaboration around a project. We've seen some of how the bot framework extends it and really brings this intelligent communications things to life. And we see meetings in Teams with dial in and dial out. So that's Microsoft audio conferencing now. And finally, in preview at the moment, coming more generally, hopefully soon, the ability to have a real phone number in Teams and for Teams to be your phone system.
Exactly, across all of your devices as well. Not just being on your machine in front of you, but also on your mobile device.
Yeah, cool. So if you want more information about Microsoft Teams, check out successwithteams.com, and we're interested to hear what do you think of Teams, where is it going to fit in your business, and do you see yourselves using it as your phone system in the future?